Condon 60. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be installing the Noble Duckbill version 1, I believe, high-rise spoiler on my 2022 WRX. This isn't going to be a full install video, guys. It's not. It's mainly me making fun of myself because sometimes I'm inclined with this stuff and do very well, and sometimes I don't. But I struggled, as you guys are going to see, to get my existing premium spoiler off of the car. But at the end of the day, install's pretty easy. Stick around to the end of the video. I will share with you guys my overall thoughts, impressions. You'll be able to see kind of some pictures of what it looks like. But as it comes to installing this, all you guys need is an 8mm socket and an extension. There's two 8mm bolts that are going to get exposed. If you have a premium trim, I can't necessarily speak to GT and Limited, but all you need to do is pop off the liner of the trunk lid. Then you're going to be able to expose those two 8mm bolts. But the problem that I had was removing my existing premium spoiler off of it. I try to be very careful with my cars. I try to be very meticulous so I don't scratch them, so I don't dent them. However, the video they gave was a lot easier from the looks of it to remove it. Mine, as you can see, I pulled on it pretty hard. But stick around to the end of the video, guys. If you're new to watching my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And just real quick, want to give a huge shout out to Import Image Racing. Those guys gave me a great discount. They hooked me up with this product. I paid for it, but they really took care of me. I'm really appreciative of them. You'll also see another modification that I will be doing on my 2022 WRX that they gave me as well for a great discount. So really appreciate them. Please check out this product. I'll leave a link in my description below. But anything that you guys need for a BRZ, for a WRX, and even other brands, they do a great job. So can't recommend them enough. Thank you guys, and let's get after it. Going uphill. All right, we just set a new peak boost record. So my previous high was 13.3. So I don't know if it's just the air today or what's going on, but we hit 13.7, which is pretty awesome.
Be a man. Don't hurt yourself now. Can't do it. Be a man. Be a man.
All right, guys, so that was the install. Let me give you my impressions. Obviously, I did this a little bit in the colder weather. It was really hard to get my premium duckbill spoiler, whatever you want to call it, off of the back of my car. The install video the Import Image Racing has makes it seem like it's really easy. Maybe it is, but I'm someone that I like to be very careful when I try to remove stuff from cars. I don't like to scratch the paint, dent stuff, so I'm very meticulous. As you guys can see, I was pulling pretty hard in some instances, so I definitely think you need to be prepared for that, especially if you have a premium trim. I can't speak to what this is like for, you know, the Limited or even the GT. With the base, you really have nothing to work off of, and you need to make some drill holes. But at the end of the day, I will say that the fitment was just a touch off from Noble. It didn't line up perfectly with the holes. I actually had to kind of do them at an angle. I still got it in, but the 3M tape definitely helps. I highly recommend using the 3M tape. Now, you could just do the 3M tape and not do the bolts like I did, problem solved. But at the end of the day, I wanted this to hold on there just a little bit better. But maybe if you guys have some tricks out there, leave a comment below on how to remove the premium spoiler off of there easier. I struggled with it. But at the end of the day, I got it off. The fitment looks awesome on there. Let me know what you guys think. There's some definite different versions that Noble offers. I definitely recommend the product. The fitment was just a touch off on the screw holes, but that could be my car. That could be the high-rise duck spoiler from them. It's just really hard to say. But they have a lot of different options out there. But I really like this. Just a little bit more than OEM, just a little bit aggressive. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you think there's a spoiler that you guys like better, let me know. If you have any tips or tricks on how I could have done this easier next time, let me know as well. As always, guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to my videos, please, guys, do me a huge favor. Please like, comment, woo, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.